So I'm going to answer another question. It's going to be a quick video on quinoa. Can I do quinoa on keto? Okay, what is quinoa? It's a seed, but it's a little different than the other cereal grains, okay? It's a seed from a tall leafy plant. So it's kind of called a pseudo-cereal grain. Grows 3 to 9 feet. It's pretty low on the glycemic index. It's actually 53. However, it can still spike your blood sugars. Now, it is gluten-free, but it's usually processed in manufacturing companies that also process wheat, so it could be exposed to gluten. But it does have a similar compound to gluten, which can create a similar inflammatory reaction in your gut. And the feedback that I get from people is that when they consume it, not only is it similar to grains and flour products, but it also bumps them out of ketosis because it spikes the blood sugar. All right, guys, I wanted to keep this short. No, you can't do quinoa on keto. So if you're enjoying this content, go ahead and share it with someone that could really benefit from it.